Like I mentioned, guys, the best thing about this method, it's free to do and you don't need a website, because one of the biggest problems with trying to make money online is you usually need a website. This one, you don't need any website at all to actually make this method work. Now, I've been making money online for some time. Like recently, we just did a case study where we made $20,000 in 24 hours. Another one where I made $2,000 in 7 days. Now, if you want to learn more about how I make my money online and how I live offline full time, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you know my next video comes out. Now, quickly, before we get into this, we're doing the giveaway once again, guys. So you guys who are subscribed to me, you already know what to do, but what you need to do is find the emoji in this video. Once you find that emoji, we're going to be giving away access to one of my courses or some cash. And then once you find that emoji, smash that like button, and then in the comment section, you want to put emoji plus cash or emoji plus course, depending on what one you want. And then in the next video, we announce some winners from this video. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's a very simple business model that is very popular online. What you do is you send people to a special link. I quickly need to just go over this. I know you guys probably know about this, but just for anybody that's new, you send people to a specific link. When they click that link and purchase through your link, you get a commission and you get paid money. Okay, well, it's a crazy arrow. You get paid money. By the way, people always ask me what I use to do this drawing. It's called desk scribble. For anyone that wants to know, you guys are always asking me. So you send people to a link and you make money when they click that link and make a purchase. So what I'm going to do in this video is explain to you exactly how you can make money with this particular method and make money online. So the first step we need to do is we're going to be flipping the script here a little bit. Usually we talk about the product and what product to promote and all that sort of stuff, and then we talk about the actual traffic. In this video, we need to talk about the traffic first, because this is the key to the actual success of this method. And once we talk about the traffic, then we can talk about crafting the offer where we can make money. Okay, and make sure you stay to the end, because I have a bonus. I have 3 extra traffic methods that you can use, and I'm going to actually explain these to you at the end of this video. So for the traffic source, there is a website called udemy.com, and I can scroll down this website and there's all of these courses online that people have created, right? So for example, if I click on this course, this is a Facebook ads course. And you can scroll down here and it's got all the information in here. Someone has created a course. Don't worry, I'll explain to you what this has to do with affiliate marketing in a second. If we go down, this person has created it's quite a small course. It's only 1 hour and 51 minutes. That's not very long. This guy could easily create this in a day. Okay, he's got this course that he's created. So why do we actually care about this, and what does this have to do with us? Let me explain. If I go to Udemy here and I put in something like email marketing, and you'll see that there's email marketing courses. So for example, we've got the complete MailChimp email marketing course, which has 2,000 reviews. So we know that lots of people have done this course. Email marketing, copywriting, and growth. So there's all these courses on email marketing. Now, what these people do inside these courses is they recommend products. So for example, this product here is called GetResponse. It's an email marketing software. If you scroll to the bottom and you click on affiliate programs, you can actually get paid around about 33% every single month per person that's on the plan. So if we look at my results here, I make around about $2,000 per month with this particular affiliate marketing program. Now, I don't get all of this money from the strategy. In fact, I don't actually make money from the strategy right now because I've taken down all my stuff because I'm redoing it, but I was making $50 per day when I actually was doing this strategy. So what you want to do is sign up as an affiliate on this program. And at the top, you go to affiliate link and campaigns. You just go to GetResponse here and you'll have your affiliate link right here. And this is where you send the traffic to. But the key is what we're actually doing here is you want to create a course that's free based on a specific topic, and then you promote your links inside there. So you could do an email marketing course. This product here is called ClickFunnels. You could do a course on how to create funnels, which is what I did. You could create a course on, this is called Bluehost, on how to create a website. So if I go back here and I go to create a blog, for example, there should be courses on how to create a blog in 1 hour. So what you do is you can create a course based on this specific thing. And then inside that course, under the videos and stuff, you have affiliate links. And people will sign up with your affiliate link because they're going to be going through the course that you're giving them for free. And it's really, really high converting. The best part about Udemy is it's free to put the course up. It won't take you long to create the course. This course is, I don't even know, not very long at all. Like this course is not very long at all. Like that's under an hour, I think. Yeah, so 1 hour, okay? Now he's charging, you can if you want, but you can get a 1 hour course up that will take you an hour to do. And then you put your affiliate links in there and you want to do it for free because people are going to just go in there for free and you're going to make money with the affiliate links. And the best thing about Udemy is they actually go through and they actually send traffic to your course because these guys are getting millions of views per month to their website and they recommend the right courses to the right people. This is in the back end of my one here. I have one course at the moment. This is what I'm charging for this one. We haven't actually, it's not live on the platform right now. We're redoing it because this one here is for 2020 and we're redoing it for 2021. But as you can see, this is a course that I have, and all I need to do is go to new course, and I can simply create a new course. And this is actually what's in that course that I just showed you. So we've got sales funnels, claim your free done for you funnels. So we actually give away funnels, and we make money that way as well because we have affiliate links in there. But what we do is we teach people how to create funnels in their business. And what we do with this one is we promote a platform called ClickFunnels. So we get affiliate marketing commissions via this course right here. And we actually charge for this now, but when we did it for free, we got a lot of people coming into this particular course. It's a very, very good strategy to make money online because you're building up an audience and it's very high converting because what happens is these people, right, you've found a good niche. So for example, email marketing or how to build funnels or how to start a website. And then what you're doing is you're showing them a related product that they actually need to use. They're going to need to use this product. So the chances of them signing up are very, very high. And the chances of them staying on are extremely high as well. You'll see this chart here of my income, so earnings. You'll see this chart. It's gradually going up and up and up because people are staying on for a long period of time, and I keep making 33% every single month, and it keeps stacking, kind of like compound interest. And then what happens is Udemy basically push this free course to people. They see your free course, they sign up to that free course, they click the links, and if they make a purchase, you could potentially make some money. Now, Udemy isn't the only place that you can use. So Udemy is the most popular place for you to go and upload courses and people watch the content and then you promote your products inside that content, your affiliate links. But there's another place called Skillshare.com. The way this one works is you upload your course and there's no charge. People actually pay a subscription to use Skillshare. You actually get paid for the minutes that your course is watched. Kind of like YouTube, there's ads on the videos or something like that, I'm not too sure. But you actually get paid, but you can also put your affiliate links in this one as well. But a secret one that's literally just gone live in the last 6 months is learn.fiverr.com. They actually emailed me and they told me they're trying to build this up, and it's very easy to get traffic to your course right now because there's not many people actually uploading courses right now, so the competition is extremely low. So learn.fiverr.com. Now, if you manage to actually get your course uploaded but you're not getting some traffic and you want to give it a bit of a kickstart, you can use free traffic. Like for example, if you're doing an email marketing course, how to build an email list, or let's go how to build a funnel. If you're doing a course on how to build a funnel, and do a video based on, so this one here from Gillian, do a video based on how to create a funnel, and then in the description, have some links to your free course. And it's like a funnel. They go to your video, they go to your free course, they sign up with your affiliate links. You can also have affiliate links in the description here, and you start to build up those commission. However, if this method isn't right for you, you don't like it, you don't want to do it, that's fine. It's not for everybody. I'll leave some free videos up on the screen that will take you through step by step some other methods on how you can make money with affiliate marketing. These are completely free for you to watch. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell so you know when my next video comes out. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in one of the videos on the right.